Miracles still happen. Some think that the scourge of smallpox was present around 12,000 years ago, and we have proof that it was here 3,000 years ago as it was found on the face of an Egyptian pharaoh mummy. We know that it caused many large and devastating epidemics, killing about 35% of infected adults and 80% of infected children. Even during the 20th century, smallpox still resulted in 300 to 500 million deaths worldwide. Smallpox describes a miserable viral illness given the medical term variola, from Latin for spotted pimple. It was commonly known as the Red Plague until in Britain during the 1600s it became smallpox to distinguish it from great pox or syphilis. Pictures of people suffering from this illness show skin of face and body breaking out with dime-sized, firm white or red blisters. People also commonly developed fevers and vomiting, spread of blisters into the mouth and eyes, and too often came to a wretched and miserable death. If one survived, the common facial pox scars were extremely disfiguring and even infected the cornea of the eyes, causing blindness commonly. During the 10th century in China, somebody began inoculating the fluid from a smallpox blister onto the abraded skin of a healthy individual, allowing for a single pox to get started in a controlled way on an arm or leg. This worked pretty well, except that the procedure made them infectious to others for a while and resulted in deaths to the recipient 1% of the time. Contracting usual smallpox killed about 35% of adults, and so 1% was better. So it was that this rather dangerous process of inoculating live smallpox became fairly popular in England during the 1600s and 1700s. Noting that milkmaids rarely got smallpox, in 1796, British rural physician Edward Jenner found that inoculating the fluid of the milder diseased cowpox provided for substantial immunity from smallpox without significantly giving risk to the recipient and without the danger of spreading smallpox. Jenner called the cowpox inoculant vaccine, after vacca, the Latin word for cow. With the vaccination campaign led by the World Health Organization, worldwide deaths reduced from 2 million per year in 1967 to none in 1977. I find it nothing short of a miracle that in those 10 years, human smallpox infections were virtually eliminated from this world. It was a miracle wrought by human intelligence and the ingenuity of creative and resourceful minds. It was the miracle of vaccination.